Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to manage and display related files for a specific Salesforce record using the Sharepoint storage service. We'll start under an opportunity record. First, let's upload some files directly from your computer. Click the Upload Files button. Select the files you need. Click Open. Wait for the files to be uploaded. Click Done. The files are now uploaded and instantly associated with your Salesforce record. Now, let's look at how GridMate integrates with Sharepoint to enhance your file management. These files here are stored directly in Sharepoint, yet remain accessible within Salesforce. On the side, you can clearly see the Sharepoint folder structure, and the path at the top allows you to jump back to previous folders with a single click. Select the file you want to link from Sharepoint. Click Add. Files from Sharepoint are marked with the Sharepoint label. You can also upload files from your computer straight into Sharepoint. Select the file you want to upload to Sharepoint. The file is uploaded successfully. You can display your files in several different ways. Tree View gives you a structured navigation of your files. Gallery View, ideal for visual browsing. Click on any file to preview it. Table View, perfect if you prefer a spreadsheet-style format. Carousel View lets you preview files in a scrollable slideshow format. Back in Table View, select a few files. You can also copy or cut files. Now, let's download the selected files. Finally, let's delete them. And that's it. You now know how to upload, view, and manage files in Salesforce using GridMate and Sharepoint. Thank you for watching.